Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we're exploring Ninh Binh again, and we've come to a famous viewpoint this morning, Hang Mua viewpoint, or Hang Ma, or Hang, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that completely incorrectly, but we're going to the viewpoint. It's very famous here in Ninh Binh. Very excited, it's very hot, so it's going to be a hard walk I think, but we've got some water and we're all set, so. Paid admission fee for the walk, and it was 200 Vietnamese dong for two of us, so 100 each.
Includes all the gardens.
Yeah, includes all the gardens as well. So as you can see, just walked in and there's like just loads of ponds everywhere. It's very calm and lovely. Loads of lanterns. It's very cool. So yeah, enjoying it so far. To the top. It was hideously hot. Sweating in places we didn't even know we could sweat in. But it was good. I got a bit scary up by the dragon. I freaked out a bit because a wasp came and attacked me.
Yeah, there was loads of wasps.
Loads of
up
wasps.
there, and it's not really steps. It's just
Rock.
jaggedy rocks that you balance.
And you
on
can't
top
hold.
of.
Yeah, you can't hold onto the chain. So a bit scary. Yeah, if you're not like confident, then don't go up. And now we just got back down to where the other dragon is. We forgot to have a little selfie in front of the dragon, so we're probably going to do with the one down here. But yeah, overall really good. Just really hot. our walk in Hang Mua, the viewpoint, and we just came to a lovely restaurant in a valley. It was recommended to us, so we decided to come. And it was a little bit more pricey. It was 185,000 Vietnamese dong for 2 mains and 2 drinks, but it was nice. It was really good tasting food. And now we've just took the moped and we've just been riding around Ninh Binh, and look at this. Our 360 view right now, and just trying to take it all in really. It's just so beautiful here, and I think we're just going to continue riding around on a moped and just taking in all the views because it is just spectacular. We absolutely love it here.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, we've rented a little 50cc Honda automatic scooter, so just from the hostel, and yeah, like I said, that was 150,000 Vietnamese dong a day, and it cost us 50,000 to fill up, so not too bad. And yeah, we're just enjoying it on the bike and just having a really nice day.
We've just got back, had an amazing day on the bike. We fueled up yesterday, so we had so much fuel we thought we'd go for a lovely long drive around Ninh Binh. I literally made Alice just go loads of random different routes just to take in all the scenery because it's so beautiful here. And then we were heading back and it started raining. So I could literally see the distance ahead had no clouds, so it was like we were trying to outrun the storm, but we got caught in it just at the end.
Yeah, we had to like turn around and come back into the storm, so we've been lucky all day. Like it was raining this morning and we've been out and it's been sunny and everything since we've been out, which is great. And then just the little bit at the end got caught in the rain, which is fine.
Well, yeah, we were heading back anyway, so it was quite funny. I just was laughing the whole way on the way back, just shielding myself behind Alice.
Yeah, I just had my sunglasses on. Oh, you could see like the water droplets on them. But yeah, so we're back at the hotel now, and we're just gonna have a shower and chill out for a bit, and then we're gonna go out for some dinner. Evening, everyone. So me and Jess have we got ready, I had a shower, and then we went out for some dinner, which is just really close to the hotel, and it was 120,000 Vietnamese dong for, I had fried rice with vegetable. What did you?
I had vegetable pho.
Yeah, vegetable pho, and I had a 7-Up, and we got a big bottle of water, and also we got given some free fruit, which we tried.
What are they called?
Whip fruit. That's how it was translated to us on the app. Really juicy. Love it.
Yeah.
And can I just say, you will never go hungry in Vietnam because everyone gives you free food. Like today we've been given 3 lots of free food, like loads of different fruits twice, and then we got given some like lychee things, and yeah, we've tried 2 new fruits today, and yeah, our bellies are full and happy, and we love eating, so bring it on. But yeah, another really good day in Ninh Binh. Tomorrow we're moving on to our next location in Vietnam, so we're off to get some sleep now, and yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog there. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next one. Bye.